This is a 5-pack of FEP release film. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you $32. So in the packaging, we get a little scraping tool, another set of toolkits. So this is a 5-pack, and so they've actually given us 5 toolkits here. Here's the FEP film here. So this says 0.15 millimeter, 260 by 200 millimeters. So in the packaging here, we have 5 of these pieces of film. So these are screen protectors for your printer in case you get resin on the screen, and you have the tools to install the screen protectors along with a little scrapey thing here. I'm mostly looking to review the actual film here. So I do not have the exact model of Phrozen printer this is for. These here are 260 by 200 centimeters in size. And I have the mini Phrozen printer. So you can see here, I'm going to be able to get 2 changes of my resin vat film out of one of these sheets. So let's go ahead and do that. I just rinsed these guys off with some isopropyl alcohol, and this guy here has like a protective film, but it has peel-offs on both sides. So it is going to be possible for me to take this guy and cut it right down the center. And I have a little bit of tolerance here, so I don't have to be super precise on this cut, because the Phrozen Mini is a reasonably small sized vat. So I'm peeling that protective film off there, and then the other side as well. I still have plenty of overlap. Okay, I have all the screws in, but not really tightened very far at all. I'm now going to go around the outside edge and cut any excess film on the outside. Now the film I pulled off wasn't bad. It didn't have any wrinkles or pops. It did have some hazing and kind of fuzziness on it. So, you know, this is perfectly clear because it's brand new. This one probably could have gone for a little bit longer, but I figured I might as well go ahead and change it out here. I'm just going to go over and tighten everything around. Okay, drum tight. All we have to do is poke the holes for the mounting pins, and we're ready to go print something. Okay, I was pretty happy with this stuff. It's the right size. It installed nice and easily. They have their steps 1, 2, 3, 4. They say please remove the protective films on both sides before use. It's not one of the numbered steps, so pay attention to that bit, you know, before you get down into these things down here. Nice thing about this with my Sonic Phrozen Mini is it's the appropriate size, so I can easily get 2 vat changes off of a single sheet.